Welcome children to our channel Maths with Joshi Uncle. Here I'll be teaching you different concepts of mathematics in a different way. Yes, what is that different way? Yes, you will be learning these particular numbers. These different topics with the help of magic and fun. Okay, so last time we considered the very difficult table ending with 9, that is 19 table. So this time we will be considering one more table, that is 49. Okay, so let's learn how to make the table of 49. So 49 is equal to 40 plus 9. So for this 40 we will put 4 in the tens place and 9 in ones place. Okay, but 49 is more near to 50 rather than 40. So we can write 49 equal to 50 minus 1. Okay, so for this 40 we put 4 over here in tens place. So for 50 we can put 5 in the tens place and minus 1 in the ones place. Okay, so these 5 and 1, they are called as minus 1. They are called as the master digits. So 5 is the master digit at tens place and minus 1 is the master digit at ones place. Now using these particular master digits, now you will see how we can prepare the table of 49 in a few seconds. Okay. Now, so first of all, let us write down these master digits 5 and minus 1. Now, to complete the table, what we need? We need the numbers over here. That's all. So initially, we will start with getting the numbers in the ones place only, and then we'll get numbers in the tens place. So concentrate on ones place. Now, what is the last number that we can see here? 49, because we already know that 49 ones are 49 and 49 tens are 490. So what we need is only in between numbers. Okay? So now we'll start. How to get the next number? Very simple. This is the number that we know. Just operate this number on the master digit. So we'll get 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. Now to get next number, again operate this master digit on this number. So 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. And 1 minus 1 is again 0. So our 50% table is ready. Now let us go to tens place numbers. If you can get these particular numbers, then our entire table will be ready. Okay. So let's start. We know this first number. Now we want to get this number. How to get that? Simple. Just add the master digit into the number that we know. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 5, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 5, 34. 34 plus 5, 39. 39 plus 5, 44. And 44 plus 5, 49. So, a difficult table of 49 is ready. And again, children, have I asked you to memorize any table? Even the table of 2? No. Without memorizing a table of 2, you were able to prepare the difficult table of 49 in just few seconds. Okay? Now, I will tell you, with this method also we can get any 2-digit number ending with 1. I will do that particular table. So, let's consider a table of 61. Okay? 61 is equal to 60 plus 1, and 61 is near 60 only. That is why we need not go in for 70 and minus 9. So we can just put 61 is equal to 60 plus 1. And here for this 60 we will put 6 and plus 1 over here. So in this case the master digit is 6 and plus 1. Okay. So now we will put these master digits over here, 6 and plus 1. Now we want to prepare the table of 61. Okay. Now first of all we will write the numbers that we already know. What is 61 ones are? 61 that we already know. And what is the next number that we know? 61 tens are 6, 1, 0. Okay. Now we have to get in between numbers. Again, We'll not consider anything in the tens place. We'll consider only ones place. So it is simple. To get this number, operate master digit on this. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 plus 1, 10. So this is 0. We already got that all the numbers in the 50% of the table is ready. Now let's go to the tens place. Now we need only numbers from second place to ninth place because of the last number is already there. Okay. So how to get that? Just add 6 into 6. That is 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Then 48 plus 6, that is 54. Okay, so last number we already know, 610. So our entire table of 61, such a difficult number, is also ready. Similarly, you can prepare any table, say 51, 31, 91, 81, any table ending with 1, you can do that. Okay, now in our next video, we will consider any table, 2-digit table, that is say 24, 18, 62, 78, whatever, 92, any number. How to do that without memorizing a table of 2. Okay, so in our next video, we will be considering all these videos, all these things. Okay, thank you so much.